We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hakka people, since they often inhabited poorer land on mountainsides with wooded areas, were familiar with camphor wood and its uses. Early on in Taiwan's history, it was the Hakka who produced camphor by hand in small amounts. During the Japanese occupation, the industry was developed until Formosan camphor was famous the world over. Camphor trees were chopped into little pieces and then taken back to the factory to be boiled for over 20 hours, before being refined, leaving camphor water, oil, and residue. The oil was further refined into crystals. Camphor is aromatic and fresh-smelling and protects wood and clothes from insect damage.
Hello and welcome to another exciting edition of Hakka Lesson of the Day. Thank you very much for your input. I'm David Wang and with our teacher...
大家好，你好，我是 Alice Pong.
Now we have been talking about the Hakka culture, the people. What about some of the major settlements, the major places where Hakka people live in Taiwan? 我们来看台湾有哪些地方呢？是客家人聚集最多的地方。
从客家中来讲，桃园嘅龍潭。
桃園 Longtan would be the place to look for.
還有從新竹嘅湖口。
湖口 area in 新竹。
還有從苗栗嘅三義。
苗栗的三義。
還有從高雄嘅美濃。
高雄的美濃。
呢啲全部係客家莊。
全部都是客家莊。These are the major Hakka settlements. 我們來講這些地方的一些特色好了。
桃園龍潭有鐵條糖。花生糖
Titelto. There's peanut candy that's available in Longtan.
新竹嘅湖口有老街老街
Okay, the old street in Hukou, which is a historic relic.
還有苗栗嘅三義有木雕
And wooden sculpture in 三義苗栗.
還有高雄嘅美濃有油紙傘
油紙傘 oil paper umbrellas.
還有東河市嘅板條
還有東河市的 rice noodles. Oh, that's really nice. So if you have time, go check these places out because these are very, very unique. They are only available in Hakka villages and their communities. Thank you very much, Alice.
師母你按子些張來了
師母你按子些張來了
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.